Hi, my name is Ella, and I'm going to give you my honest review of this GE stainless steel microwave. You can tell right off the bat that this microwave is super modern and can look good in any kitchen. It has all the buttons that a normal microwave would. You can defrost, reheat, and cook your food in different ways. It also has a timer feature, so you can set a timer if you're cooking something on the stove or in the oven. It has this cool sensor cooking feature that automatically adjusts time and power depending on the food you have. The door opens gently and silently, so you don't have to worry about it making a big loud noise. It has this nice turntable inside that you can take in and out to clean it. The material that the inside is made of also makes it super easy to clean. It has a 1,000-watt capacity, which is usually what most microwaves have. And it is an over-the-range microwave, which means it goes over a stove. It has a fan on the bottom that can suck up all the steam from when you're cooking on the stove. Overall, this microwave is high quality and can last a long time. So if you're looking for a microwave replacement, then I would definitely recommend giving this microwave a try.